today's video, I really just learned this lesson. I've heard this my whole life, and you probably heard this your whole life too. But it finally took me 19 years to figure this out. My number one tip is to live every day like it's your last. And I'm sure you've heard that in your life so many times. But let me explain before you click off this video. So, this actually just hit me today, and while I was working out, I was like, holy crap. So, today's my last day, or today's my last workout day in New Hampshire. I'm leaving Saturday morning. I spent my whole summer up north between Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Maine, all that, and this was my last workout for probably about a week. So I went into the gym with the mentality like, dude, I'm not gonna get another workout in for a week. I'm going hard as Why is it that the last day of something, you live your greatest? For me, I still remember my last day at high school. I remember we had a little balloon fight and with the teachers and this and that, and I had so much fun. It's like, why didn't I go in with that mentality every day at high school? Every day, live it like it's my last. Have fun every day. Same with college. When Corona hit, I was at a baseball tournament down in Florida. I go to college in Massachusetts. We had a tournament down in Florida. Our last day, we were like, the whole team, we were like, dude, we're giving it our all. And we gave it our all on the field, and we had a blast that night. So fun. Why didn't we do that every day? Just 2-3 weeks ago, I was back in Massachusetts at my college visiting some friends. My last night, my bad, there's a bug. Same with my last night up at college. I had a blast with my friends. It's like, if we start living every day like our last day, our lives will be so much better, so much happier. And that's something, it's hard because it's so easy to get complacent, so freaking easy. But we somehow find a way to live every day like it's your last, your life will improve so much. Because truth of the matter is, we don't freaking know when it's our last day. We really don't. If you knew, I hate to say it like this, but this is my only way how I could get the point across. If you knew that you were dying tomorrow, would you sit on your phone today for 4.5 hours, 5 hours, watch YouTube videos, scroll through Instagram, and look at other people's Snapchat stories? Or would you go out, have some fun with your friends, get a good workout, whatever it may be, whatever makes you happy? Would you do that if you knew you were going to die tomorrow, or would you sit on your phone all day? And something that I was thinking about too, all this hit me like today. I'm like, dude, you need to make a video about this and like spread this. Because the truth of the matter is, I made this YouTube, like, I know I try to make it entertaining, and I joke around a lot how I want to drop out of college with it. No, I'm not dropping out of college, none of that. I really made this to like spread positivity and to help others, because for me, I don't know if this is with other people, for me, one of the keys for me to stay happy is knowing that I'm helping others. So this all hit me in the gym today, and it's like, have you ever noticed during exam week, the libraries are filled, everyone's pulling all-nighters to study for their tests, all that. You're just studying for hours upon hours for your final exams, and at least in college. What about the first exam, second exam? If you studied half as hard as you studied for your final exam, you wouldn't need to study you wouldn't be pulling all-nighters to study for your final exam. That's the truth of the matter. If you just studied half as hard for your other test, it's like I just noticed, like, when you know it's your last for everything in life, all of a sudden you give it your all, you have fun, you make memories. It's like, why don't you treat every exam, if you treated every exam like it was your final exam, your grades would be better. If you treated every night out like it was going to be your last night out, you would have the most fun in your life every time you went out. You'd make the best memories ever. I'm sure you guys have been hearing that your whole lives, and I've heard that my whole life. But now, like, it hit me today when I was in the gym. I was like, dude, I hit so many PRs today, and it was all just a mentality. Like, I hit PRs, like, not even close to my past PRs. And I just worked out a couple days ago. I didn't get that strong in a couple days. My muscles didn't get way big. I mean, a little juicy, but my muscles didn't get that much bigger in the past couple days. All it was is my mentality. I went into the gym today with the mentality, I'm going hard as shit. Excuse my language, but this is my only way to get the point across. I'm going hard as shit. Every rep, every set, every exercise, I'm doing my entire workout. I don't care how tired I get. And I hit so many PRs today. It's like going to the gym every day with the mentality that's your last. Going to school every day like it's your last. Talk to your friends. When you, instead of going to, bro, this is something that I thought too after Corona hit. I was like, every day when I'm in college, bro, when I was going to class, I was like, bro, screw this. I don't want to be going to class right now, blah, blah, blah. Instead, now when Corona's over and I get back to campus and classes are back to normal and everything, every freaking class, I'm going to try my best in one class. Let's go. Treating it like it's my last class. I'm going to talk to the professor if I can. I'm going to talk to the kids around me, learn the most I can, just get the most out of it, get the most out of life. And that's my trick. I mean, I don't want to say that's my trick because I haven't been doing that, but it just hit me today, bro. Treat every freaking day like it's your last. To this day, I still remember so many some of my best memories are all from the last day of the trips, the last day of high school, I still remember my last day of middle school. I remember my last freaking day of elementary school. Listen, I went over this in one of my other videos, but I transferred high schools 3 times. And I am not making this up. I still remember my first and last day of high school every day. Especially my last day of high school at every high school were my best memories. No joke. I remember every day of high school, every last day of high school. And now looking back at it, I should have treated every day like it was my last day. But from this point forward, I'm trying my best. Obviously, I'm not perfect. None of us are perfect. We're all human. But treat every day like it's your last, I'm telling you. And obviously in moderation. I'm not saying to go overboard with it and start doing stupid stuff that's going to put your life in danger. I'm not saying that. But you guys get the point. You guys know what I mean. Just work hard like it's your last. Next time you're studying for a test, I don't give a crap if it's your first test, second test, or last test. Study like it's your final exam. Do every homework like it's your last homework. Every time you go out, act like it's going to be your last night going out. Make the best memories. Meet as most people as possible. Just, you guys get the point. And just this past summer, I remember, back when it was my last day in Florida, I had a ball. I still remember. I went out on the boat with my friends. I met as many people as I could. I was having a blast. I was up there on the boat. I was going crazy, bro, because I knew it was my last day in Florida. I didn't give a crap what people thought because I knew it was my last day. It's like every time I go out, from now on, every time I go out, all that, I'm treating it like my last. I want to wrap up this video. I didn't want it to be this long, but I just felt like I needed to make this video, man. I'm treating this like it's my last video. I put my heart and soul into this. And let's do it. Let's get it, boys. I don't care if freaking 5 people view this or 20 people, whatever. Just as long as you guys get the point, treat this like it's your last. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Please implement this every day in your life. I'm telling you, it will change your life. And if you guys want to see a video that I made that really helps out to get rid of stress in your life, click here or here. It's called the KISS method. I'll put an end screen up. It's either going to be on this side or this side. I don't know yet. It's called the KISS method, K-I-S method. And you'll see what I mean by that. It's not actually about kissing girls. And then another great video if you're trying to stop your bad habits. I'll also put it on one of the sides of the end screen. So again, thank you guys for watching. Guapo out.